So we are here at Goodguys 2026. Unfortunately, the weather is not the greatest this year again, and the forecast for the day is some potential rain coming in for at least half the day, possibly. It might skirt us, we might get hit, we don't know. Even if we do get hit, whatever, we're here to support the hobby and the show. My car has windows that roll up and wipers that mostly work, so I'm fine, I don't care. But we just want to be part of everything, so here we are. The cruise route's a little tight in some areas. Top bud there. I think it's real tight through here too. Of course, you're only supposed to go one way through the parade route. This guy's trying to go the opposite way. But the cruise route is really tight in some areas. It feels odd seeing stuff like this here, but they are pretty rare anymore. Construction continues around here, so there's still a lot of blocked off places and some space that we can't park at and weird places you can, and people are trying to figure out where to go. Route is kind of weird, and if you try to go back in by the barns back here and you get back to the back corner, you can't get back across here anywhere. You have to go all the way back around. So yeah, people are getting a little lost this year. Right now, every year it changes until they get done with all this construction, because this is a whole new building here. They just wasn't here last year. That was under construction last year. And then the old, was that the old ag building? The front of the building still just standing with nothing. They haven't started actually building the rest of that new building there yet. So I figured this year I'd get more of the cars cruising and less just walking around looking at cars. Well, so far we've gotten lucky on the weather. It's all kind of skirting south of us and coming up to the east side of us, and we haven't gotten anything yet, but it's been threatening all day. So supposedly this is actually one of the original 5 factory AMX prototype cars. So yeah, that's quite interesting to see that here. You see anybody doing anything like this with it. Pretty rare thing there. Well, it's starting to sprinkle, so you're starting to see the mass exodus of all the cars trying to get out of here before they get wet. All they're going to do is sit in traffic and get wet, so I'd rather just hang out some more and not get caught in the traffic and get wet. We got umbrellas, that's why we brought them. It's 4 o'clock. Pretty well cleared out, and the rain's actually finally moving in. So, yeah, I guess it's time for us to head on out of here for the day.